Minimalist interiors are admired for their clean appearance, practical layouts, and timeless appeal. Yet many people hesitate to embrace minimalism because they worry it will make their homes feel cold or impersonal. Fortunately, this concern can be addressed by choosing warm, earthy tones and carefully balanced neutral colors. Instead of relying on stark white walls and rigid contrasts, modern minimalist apartments often feature soft, nature-inspired palettes that create an inviting atmosphere while preserving simplicity. By blending warm neutrals with natural textures and thoughtful furnishings, even compact apartments can become elegant retreats that feel both spacious and exceptionally comfortable. Understanding the beauty of earth-inspired neutrals. Earth-inspired colors have a calming effect because they reflect the natural world. Shades of sand, clay, oatmeal, warm beige, mushroom gray, ivory, soft brown, and light taupe create interiors that feel grounded and peaceful. Unlike bold or highly saturated colors that quickly draw attention, earthy neutrals work quietly in the background. They allow architectural details, furniture, and natural lighting to become the defining features of the room. This understated beauty aligns perfectly with minimalist principles. Rather than filling a space with visual excitement, earthy palettes encourage relaxation and help reduce the sense of clutter, even in apartments with limited square footage. Build a balanced foundation with neutral walls. The walls establish the visual framework of every room, making paint selection one of the most important design decisions. Warm white remains a popular choice, but subtle alternatives often create more comfortable living environments. Cream, soft linen, light almond, pale beige, and warm grayish provide gentle color without overpowering the room. Using a consistent wall color throughout the apartment strengthens visual continuity. Open-plan apartments especially benefit from this approach because the uninterrupted palette allows each functional area to connect naturally with the next. The result is a home that feels larger, brighter, and more cohesive while maintaining an effortless elegance. Mix warm and cool neutrals thoughtfully. A successful neutral palette does not have to consist entirely of warm shades. Carefully blending warm and cool neutrals creates depth and sophistication. For example, warm beige walls may pair beautifully with soft gray upholstery, natural oak furniture, cream textiles, and charcoal decorative accents. The warm tones establish comfort, while cooler elements introduce subtle balance. The key is moderation. One dominant color family should guide the overall design, with secondary tones supporting rather than competing against it. This careful layering produces interiors that feel refined instead of monotonous. Let natural materials become the main attraction. Minimalist interiors thrive when decorative excess is replaced by beautiful materials. Instead of relying on colorful accessories, allow wood, stone, linen, cotton, leather, and woven fibers to become the visual highlights. A wooden dining table with visible grain, a travertine coffee table, woven storage baskets, or handcrafted ceramic accessories naturally enrich the room without adding unnecessary complexity. These materials age gracefully, often becoming even more attractive over time. Their imperfections contribute authenticity that machine-perfect finishes sometimes lack. Choosing genuine materials also supports the timeless quality that makes minimalist interiors so enduring. Create visual warmth with layered textiles. Soft furnishings play an important role in making minimalist apartments feel welcoming. Layering textiles with different textures creates comfort while maintaining a restrained color palette. A linen sofa paired with knitted throws, velvet cushions, cotton curtains, and a woven area rug offers visual variety without introducing excessive decoration. Keeping these fabrics within a similar range of neutral tones ensures that the apartment remains calm and harmonious. Seasonal updates become remarkably easy as well. During colder months, thicker wool blankets and textured cushions provide extra warmth, while lightweight cotton and linen can refresh the space during warmer seasons. Choose furniture that prioritizes simplicity. Minimalist furniture is not simply about owning fewer pieces. It is about selecting designs that combine beauty with practical function. Look for furniture with clean silhouettes, rounded edges, slim profiles, and quality craftsmanship. Sofas with low backs, floating shelves, Simple dining chairs and understated storage cabinets contribute to an uncluttered appearance. Avoid purchasing decorative furniture solely for visual impact. Every item should serve a meaningful purpose while complementing the apartment's overall aesthetic. When fewer pieces occupy the room, each one naturally receives greater appreciation. Use lighting to enhance warm colors. Color and lighting always work together. Even the most beautiful neutral palette can appear flat if illuminated incorrectly. Natural daylight should remain the primary source whenever possible. Keep windows unobstructed and choose light-filtering curtains that soften sunlight without darkening the room. For evening lighting, warm white bulbs produce a cozy atmosphere that enhances beige, cream, and wood finishes. Combining ceiling lights with floor lamps, table lamps, and wall lighting creates multiple layers of illumination that make interiors feel more intimate. Indirect lighting also highlights textures, bringing woven fabrics, wooden surfaces, and natural stone to life. Introduce gentle contrast through small details. While a predominantly neutral apartment feels peaceful, subtle contrast prevents the design from becoming overly uniform. Black metal hardware, bronze light fixtures, dark wooden picture frames, or matte charcoal planters provide gentle definition without disrupting the minimalist character. Similarly, incorporating one or two darker furniture pieces can anchor the room and create visual balance. The goal is not dramatic contrast, but thoughtful emphasis that guides the eye naturally through the space. Celebrate empty space. One of the defining characteristics of successful minimalist design is the confidence to leave certain areas intentionally empty. Open shelving should display only carefully selected objects rather than every available decoration. Tabletops should remain mostly clear, with perhaps a ceramic vase.